Gulbahar Taurani, President, Personal Health, Philips India subcontinent, is now joining us on the phone line. So thank you so much for taking out time for us. With the consumer sentiment being weak, has there been any delay in the uptick in festive demand? What is the sense you are getting when you talk to your dealers?
So I think, for us, fortunately, what we see for the last couple of weeks is if you are in a space and if you are connected to the consumers, if you understand and, try to be relevant to them, I think we have been able to manage the entire situation quite well. And we don't see any such negative impact as of now on our sales. Last 10 days, and especially the on-ground sellouts have been quite encouraging. And we are, we are going as per plan as of now. So I see that if brands are able to capture the relevant insights and able to present their propositions in a better way, still, there is a lot of demand in the market that needs to be fulfilled.
Right. Do you see consumers coming back with the sort of discounts that are coming in, the sort of financing schemes that are available on the retail side?
So the sector that I represent has evolved in terms of EMIs, consumer offers, festival offers for quite some years. And I see a similar trend in this festival season also. I don't see any panic in the system wherein people are, discounting unnecessarily or something like that. I think the sector has matured and the offers are also in line with what we see in the past years. And that's what creates the whole buzz around, festivals. In fact, you know that Diwali is a gifting festival, and that's where it's a gift from the brand's perspective to actually help consumers select and buy more for the Diwali season. I don't see any panic or any rush of discounts which are not in line with what we used to see in the last couple of years.
What is the percentage of annual sales that comes in this festive season? Any sort of perspective on that?
See, I think, we have to also now define the festival season for all of us. What has happened in the last couple of years is like primarily earlier there used to be one or two festivals around the year. Now you see with a lot of retail coming in and a lot of brands looking at various occasions, I think the occasions of festivals have increased in India. And that's why now it is very, I would say, unfair to tag a particular festival or to tag a particular month with a percentage of sales and say this is what is the contribution of the festival seasons. I think the industry has very well defined its own events and has created a lot of festivals and not dependent on one festival.
Right. Just a word on, the sort of, news that has been coming in regarding the festival season that, in terms of the first 10 days or first 20 days of this festival season, the demand has been very, very strong across all the retail space. Can you just talk to us about categories where you're seeing within the subcategories, which categories have seen, such high sort of growth numbers coming in?
So I think I completely agree with you that we see a lot of demand and a lot of positivity in the last 10, 12 days. And fortunately, the spaces that we play in, and especially grooming, which is both male and female grooming, we see a lot of demand and we see a lot of youth buying into this category. We also see a lot of demand into core categories like kitchen appliances and, garment care, especially the irons and all. So both the core and the growing sectors are showing very positive momentum for us in this present festival season.
Right. And just a last word on the remaining part of the festive season till Diwali. Do you expect this demand to pick up from here on?
So yes, of course, and the last week of Diwali has always been the peak of the sellouts. So we are all geared up. You will see a lot of investments from us already in the market, and we are very hopeful that the festival season is going to go as per plan.
Right. Mr. Taurani, just one word on the new launches. And I'm not only talking particularly about Philips, but, when we just look at the new launches around the festive season, they continue to attract a lot of traction. They continue to see a lot of demand. Has it been similar? Is new launches from various companies, driving a lot of demand?
Yes, and if you will see that, the new launches happen just before the festival season to ensure that the products are distributed well and are available for the consumers. Okay. And I see, if you look at the new launches this year across the industry, they haven't stopped. And that's a great indication that the new launches have been able to fetch the desired results for all the players, and that's why we see those launches in the market. For us, especially in Philips, we had quite a few new launches in this quarter, and all of them have been received very well by the consumers, whether that was one blade, whether that was a hair straightening brush, whether that was an OTG from Philips. All the new products that we have been introducing have got a very phenomenal response for the consumer.
Thank you so much, Mr. Taurani. Always good to get perspective from you.